Rustic Rose, seasonal home decor. Spring, summer, winter, fall. Rustic Rose.
Hi friends, it's me Rose, and welcome back to my channel, The Rustic Rose. Hey listen friends, I want to come on here real quick because I've been out and about shopping and I wanted to show you what I kind of picked up. So anyway, if you're interested, stay tuned. So real quick.
Dexter and Gigi.
Ready to buy craft supplies. I thought we were here for snacks. Wrong store.
I'll take one of everything.
Maybe we'll just take one thing.
But look at all this!
The prices add up fast. We came for paint.
The paint got lonely. This one has potential.
It looks unfinished.
Exactly.
I've become fall decor.
You actually look expensive. Okay, the total is $256. Now that's a Rustic Rose haul.
$256!
Oh no! Is he okay? So, can we still get snacks?
So real quick, I want to show you real quick. I picked up a few more florals because remember I told you I'm going to be making that little witch that I want to make for Halloween. Anywho, so I picked up some more of these guys, some more of the purple hanging amaranthus, and I know I showed you that on my last the other little video that I made about picking up a few items. So I picked that up, and I also picked up some more of these dahlia bush. Now, I know you're going to say, well, Rose, you picked this up last time. Well, I did, but if you recall, here's the last one I picked up. And there is just a slight difference. And the other thing is, the first one I picked up has black leaves, where this one has the green leaves. So anywho, I thought I'd pick that up and give it a little variation of the type of flowers. The other thing I did find was these, and I thought these were pretty cool. They're called Silver Dollar, the Silver Dollar Spray. And I thought, oh my gosh, they're bringing out all the fall florals and greenery, and I thought this would be so pretty to make a little arrangement with or add around the house to bring in the fall vibes. Anywho, I picked this up. I thought it was really cool. Anywho, the other thing I kind of picked up is I found these the fall ribbon is coming out, so I picked these up and I thought they were so pretty. Hope you're not getting too much glare. And I picked two of those. I also found some of these, and I thought, oh my gosh, let me bring them in close. Some fall fabrics, and I picked these up. I picked up two of the plaid, and then these right here have some florals and pumpkins and leaves, and I thought those were really cool, so I picked that up. And the other thing I found was this little guy. Let me bring him in close. Now this little guy had a little hanger on it, so I removed the hanger. And not only did I find him, but I found her too. Look at how cute this little cat is, and the little coming out of the little pumpkin. Anywho, friends, I just added a few more, just a little bit of paint to add some dimension. So I did go around it, around the ears, around the eyes, around the little body. Added some more light in their eyes, just to add a little bit more dimension. And I'm really excited about putting these together in a craft. So I picked those up. So if you see them and you like them, pick them up, friends. And I think that's pretty much it on that store. But then I went to another store. And friends, sometimes you could go to like a department store that has clothing and home decor and things that you need for the house. And sometimes they have, decor for the house. And so that's where I usually head. And now that all the fall items are coming out, and especially for Halloween, there was a few items that caught my eye, so I picked those up. So real quick, I picked this up, friends. Isn't it cool? I'll bring it in close so you can see it. Now this wood is really thick, probably about 1 inch thick. It's really thick, not too heavy, but medium size. But these are pieces that I really, really like and I enjoy working with, because now I can always, make it my own. I can elevate it and put my little cute little faces on here. And it's such a cute piece, friends, for your home decor to, you know, to get ready for the holiday. Anywho, I had to show you that. Anywho, so I picked that up. But the other thing I found that was really, really cute, and I almost didn't get it, friends, but then I thought, no, Rose, it's okay. Go ahead and get him. This is what I picked up, guys. Isn't he cute? And it's a little bow on top here. And I thought, oh my gosh. And now, friends, remember I told you I'm not really into scary, but I am into cutesy. And I thought, you know what? His little smile got me. So he is a little ghost. And I thought, there's so much you can do with him. You could put a silk arrangement coming out of here. You can fill it up with candy. So when the kids come to the door, you'll be ready. But isn't it a beautiful decor piece? I just loved it. And I had to pick it up. The price was good as well. Anywho, friends, I hope I've inspired you to get out there and get looking to see what's out there, friends. I know here at my stores in California, the items are coming in a little bit slow. And so, you know, sometimes you got to get out there, you know, maybe once a week or at least twice a month, so you can, you know, catch some of these finds. Anywho, friends, I hope you've enjoyed this video. And if you did, don't forget to give me a thumbs up and don't forget to sprinkle me out. And until we see each other again, friends, take care and bye-bye.
Rustic rose